Hello and welcome to SUNY Coby News for the spring 2025 semester. I'm Emma Mercilliott. This is a student-produced newscast staffed by communication students enrolled here at SUNY Cobleskill. Thanks for joining us. Summer registration is now open. Students can get ahead of their degree or catch up on credits. There are 5 sessions available starting May 19th till August 8th. Each session has a wide variety of courses for students to choose from. Non-students can also register for summer classes too. If you're interested in summer classes, you can go to www.cobleskill.edu or you can call the registrar's office at 518-225-5521. The Institute of Rural Vitality is looking for vendors for the 3rd annual Empire State Entrepreneur Expo. The expo showcases products from small businesses including health and beauty, artisan, and farm-to-table businesses. Last year, the expo had over 100 products featured. The expo is open to the public free of charge to taste and buy products. If you're interested in tabling, vendors have now till April 21st to register. The registration fee is $45. To register, go to www.cobleskill.com/institute. There's more coming up. You're watching SUNY Coby News from the video production facilities here on the SUNY Cobleskill campus. Stay with us.
No cell phone service, no television or internet connections, no electricity, and in some DEC Adirondack campgrounds, no roads either. Forked Lake is just one of the 52 campgrounds that you can explore in the Adirondack Mountains of New York State. This facility is a primitive camping experience. Each site is outfitted with just the basics. You've got to hike trails or paddle a canoe to get to each site, putting you right in the middle of the area's natural beauty. Too rustic for you? That's okay. The DEC offers a wide variety of experiences including island camping, tent and trailer sites with electricity and running water, boat launch facilities, hiking trails, beaches, and more. And it's all just a click away. To find out more and to start planning for your next Adirondack adventure, log on to www.dec.ny.gov. You'll find all the information you need to start enjoying the great Adirondack outdoors in upstate New York.
The communication programs here at SUNY Cobleskill are helping to prepare the next generation of media professionals. You can help us do that by supporting the Cobleskill College Foundation. Your tax-deductible contributions help students gain real-world, hands-on experience in media content creation and journalism, just like what we're bringing to you right here on SUNY Coby News. Welcome back to SUNY Coby News. I'm Emma Mercilliott.
And I'm Jason Wiltey for SUNY Coby Weather. Thanks for joining us. So how's it going, Emma?
It's going good.
Pretty good. Yeah, it's that kind of the year where you leave with a coat on because it's so cold, but then it gets too warm in the middle of the day. I hate that so much. We've been pretty lucky, though, this year, all things considered. You never know what you're going to get in late March, early April, upstate New York. Cold, snow sometimes, you never know. So let's take a look at our current conditions for now. Right now, it's looking pretty sunny with a high of 44. But enjoy that while it lasts because it probably won't stick around for much longer. Looking ahead, it's going to be pretty cold tonight with some clouds, which is probably going to lead us into some precipitation tomorrow, what it looks like. It could be colder, could be warmer. Probably going to start off cold. We're going to have a high of 51, so not so bad. Mostly cloudy. That rain's probably going to start in the evening. Probably going to last throughout the weekend, as we'll see. Saturday, the high of 59, we're going to have afternoon rain showers. It looks like it's going to last through the whole day. Could be really cloudy. You never know. Could be a little bit of sun in between. You know how it is around here. And looking towards Sunday, we have a high of 54. It's going to be cloudy. Still a chance of rain. 50%. Hopefully it'll clear up by then. All right, now let's take a look at our extended forecast. Tuesday, we're going to have a high of 44 with a low of 23. Much colder, but it will be partly cloudy, some sun. Wednesday, a high of 49, low of 38, mostly cloudy. Looking at Thursday, a high of 62, low of 48, but those showers will probably come back. Friday, it's going to cool off with a high of 57, low of 42 with some showers. And Saturday, it's probably going to cool off again, a high of 54, low of 39 with some showers in the morning, might taper off. towards the evening.
Thanks, Jason, for that weather update. We'll be back with more news after these messages.
You're watching SUNY Coby News live from the video production studio on the campus of SUNY Cobleskill. Stay with us.
I don't think that many kids in my son's school even do it.
He makes fun of his friend who vapes.
He would never try it.
She's into soccer.
She's on the honor roll.
She's just not the type.
No way.
No way.
No way.
No way, my kid would never vape.
Get your head out of the cloud. Today, nearly 8,000 kids will start vaping. Maybe even yours. Learn about the dangers at talkaboutvaping.org.
Hello and welcome back to SUNY Coby News. I'm Emma Mercilliott. Thanks for joining us. Looking to get involved on campus, let's look at the campus events coming up this week. Pancake Night in Lower Brickyard Point, Friday, March 28th. National Peanut Butter and Jelly Day in Bauk Lobby, Wednesday, April 2nd. Trivia Night in Lower Brickyard Point, Thursday, April 3rd. And Glow Dodgeball in Bauk Ballroom on April 4th. For more information about events on campus, check out Coby Engage and download the Cork app. That's all for this edition of SUNY Coby News, live from SUNY Cobleskill. I'm Emma Mercilliott. We'll be back soon every Monday and Wednesday starting April 7th, coming to you from right here in the video production studio located on the second floor of the Van Wagenen Library Building. For more information about the 2- and 4-year communication programs here at SUNY Cobleskill, visit www.cobleskill.edu today. You can also find the SUNY Cobleskill communication programs on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Following the hashtag SUNYCobyCom will also help you stay up to date on all things comm here at SUNY Cobleskill. That's all for this edition of SUNY Coby News. My name is Emma Mercilliott. Thanks for joining us.